Solved examples मधले example 3. Find the value of k if the following equations are consistent. 7x minus ky equal to 4, 2x plus 5y equal to 9 and 2x plus y equal to 8. Now these three equations are linear equations in two variables x and y. Now these three equations are linear equations and the equations are consistent. Therefore, value of determinant equal to 0. Now first we convert these equations into standard form. 7x minus ky minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. And 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Determinant D contains elements. Now take their coefficient of x and y and remaining element. 7 minus k minus 4, 2, 5 minus 9, 2, 1 minus 8, 2, 1 minus 8. Now solve these determinant by using expansion formula, and these three equations are consistent. Therefore, value of D equal to 0. So take here 0, and now use here expansion formula. First we multiply 5 and negative 8, 1 and negative 9. First we multiply by 7. Take remaining elements which are not in first row and first column. These are 5, negative 8, 1 and negative 9. Take cross multiplication and subtract. 5 into negative 8 means minus 40. Minus 1 into negative 9 means negative 9. Negative become here positive. Minus bracket k. Negative become here plus k. Now take remaining elements which are not in first row and second column. 2 into negative 8, negative 16. Minus 2 into negative 9 means negative 18. Negative become here positive. Multiplication of two negative number equal to positive number. Now negative 4. Take remaining elements which are not in first row and third column. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 2 into 5, 10. आता हे सॉल्व करू आपण. 7 minus 40 plus 9 minus 31 plus k 2 minus 60 plus 8 means 2 minus 4 2 minus 10 means minus 8. 7 into 1 7 7 3 are 21 negative 7 plus 2k plus negative become positive. दोन ऋण संख्यांचा गुणाकार धन असतो. मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू निगेटिव्ह नंबर इज इक्वल टू पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर. 4 into 8 or 8 into 4 32 equal to 0. 2k negative 117 plus 32 हे सॉल्व करायचे. 5 negative 185 equal to 0. Therefore 2k equal to 185. Therefore k equal to 185 divided by 2. k बरोबर आहे 185 भागिले 2. तर इथे आपण डिटर्मिनंटचा वापर करून k ची व्हॅल्यू काढलेली आहे. हे इक्वेशन कन्सिस्टन्स असल्यामुळे डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे हे आपल्याला त्यामुळे समजलं. त्यामुळे इथे आपण इक्वेशन एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युला वापरून इथे आपण इक्वेशन तयार केले ना. इट इज इक्वल टू 0 आणि त्यावरून आपण इथे k ची व्हॅल्यू काढू शकलो. k इक्वल टू 185 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.